Hi everyone, welcome to Consolidation Week. You guys are halfway through your teaching period, so well done. This week is a week off for ELAs, so just so you know that I will not be on my emails, I won't be on discussion boards for the entire week. I use this as a week off. I'm going to zone out, I'm not going to touch my computer. And just spend some time with my family. So I want you guys to use this week. This is a week for you to catch up on any readings that you need to do to get a head start on your assessments. And just as well, have a break. So please use this time to spend a day or two just, study free and to really look after yourself as well halfway through the teaching period. If you have any questions, my emails will bounce back to you to say that I'm taking the week off, but you are welcome to contact Fiona, our unit coordinator, if there's anything of real urgency that needs to be asked or spoken about. I hope you have a great week. I look forward to week 7. We're going to dive straight into dance and how we can use dance to teach children about bodily awareness and creative movement. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next Sunday. Bye, everyone.